Hello everyone, welcome back to the zone where today we're going to be reacting to some cute animals that don't think people are watching. Little do they know we're all going to be watching. So if you do enjoy, please like and subscribe and all that good stuff because it does help me out. Without further ado, let's enjoy some cute animals. Oh, he's a panda in the snow.
The ultimate goofballs of the animal kingdom.
Yes, they are. I don't know how any of them ever survived without it being in captivity. Oh. Little dog has no idea it's messing with the god of animals. What is that? There's a horse in your house. Hey, at least it checked on you. Oh, now it wants to play. It doesn't know that it could hurt you.
Mimi.
Here's something.
When your cat is more reliable than your roommate.
Mimi.
No way the cat opened the door.
Mimi.
Did you lock yourself out? Oh. Hey. I mean, whatever you gotta...
Such nice manners. Only took one. Didn't even make a mess.
Didn't make that. No shot. He just walked in and grabbed one thing. Impressive. Did not see that coming. Is that your dog, sir? I don't think you know. He's there. Yep. I knew it was coming and still got me. Oh, my cats love to watch TV. Oh, they're not allowed to touch the screen though. He's helping them sweep. Get it. Oh, you can see that TV flickering. Unfortunately, it did not help that much. Who is throwing grenades at you? Is that a squirrel? It is a squirrel. Oh, he's just collecting everything.
He's hanging upside down today.
Don't interrupt him. He's hoarding right now.
The ultimate game of catch the dot. Penguin edition.
Penguins have laser pointer syndrome? No shot. That might be the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Penguins chase lights like cats chase lasers. Hi, little buddy.
Hey. Hey.
Hi. Is he trying to steal your keys? What are you doing? Oh, he looks so defeated. Give him a snack. Give him something. Oh, look at that nose. Oh, I can see a disaster happening at some point. Somebody's gonna break some. Yep. I called that one.
Says it all. Wait, why is the wall like that? Did I do that? Oh no, I did that. You've all been there, pal.
He knew he messed up. New smells? Oh yeah, you're in trouble, buddy. You're in trouble. I can't believe I called that. Oh, horses. Beautiful creatures. I just have no trust for those animals. I've been on one, and it was not happy. It was not happy that I was on it. Smart animals. Look at them go. Oh, it's the kangaroos. Oi. The way they just jump on their tail and kick, it doesn't even look real. It's like they're floating. Like,
Na's pretending nothing's up.
you pretending to be
Just
cute?
hugging the grass. Nothing's going on here, just hugging grass.
Nothing going on.
Hey man, first can I have a little bit, eh? Can I just have a little?
Good.
Okay. So I just want a little bit. But I'm just really hungry.
Leave the poor thing alone. He's trying to eat.
Forget humans. This is how you throw a proper pool party.
Yeah, you can see the pool is already halfway down. The only thing holding it together is the water. Oh. Is he gonna spill it? Oh yeah, it's going. In the kids' playhouse and everything? That's a tragic situation. At least we're having fun, though. No way he's gonna jump on the swing. He's trying. Oh, look at the little guy.
Took the whole bucket. That's not stealing. That's ambition.
Hey, he saw his chance and he took it. That could feed the whole tribe.
Такое вы видели? Рыбу утаскивает всю полностью.
Don't take it from him. Let him have it. Just let him have it. He's working so hard. Oh, it's the fuzzies. It's the fuzzy penguins. Is it a cat? What? Where is this? And why is there a cat there? It does not look cold enough to be for there to be that many penguins. That poor thing is so scared. Elefante, you got yourself in a situation there, bud. Oh, it's tragic and hilarious. You can do it! You can do it! He's got it! Just throw that ass up there. Throw that ass! You almost got it! Look at him go. That's just skill right there and determination. Determination. He looked confused, like, what do I do when I get to the other side? No
Two
shot.
experienced escape artists. This was definitely not their first time.
Yeah, there's gonna be a new lock on that gate tomorrow. Are they gonna go out? Okay, one of them is smart. No, it waited for the troublesome one to walk out. This is why I don't think they should be behind cages and shit, you know? Like, if they're sick, that's one thing, but they're too smart. They know they're being held in captivity. Playing with your food?
Man just hit the jackpot and is checking for witnesses.
Making sure nobody sees. Yeah, he sees you. He's looking right at you. They're looking into my soul. I don't like that.
She's like, come on, let's run.
Dog versus the chicken. Look at them go. Round and round they go. Round and round they go. Round and round they go. Where'd he go? Always coming back the other side.
Look at her. Look at her pee.
Ah! Jump scared a chicken. Oh, monkeys. Oh, look at him go. Oh. I didn't even see that one come out of there. Just get your ass in there. The one that doesn't want to go swimming. Oh, he's sitting there now like, damn it. Poor little baby. They're cute, but they'll steal everything you got.
Oh my lord.
Casual pool day. Oh, shit. No chickens were harmed in the making of this film. Hey! Look at him go. The trail of feathers.
When you're stuck in a meeting, but the squirrel outside is living its best life.
That's adorable. Squirrels are so smart. Look at him go. Nobody's getting it. Oh,
That chicken said, I worked for this. Nobody's touching it.
does that chicken have like a foot pedal to open that? No shot. That's actually really smart to keep everything else from eating all of it. I love it. I love it. Oh, that's cool. I don't know. Is it a bear? Almost thought that was a child sitting at the bottom. Did the bear just ring your doorbell? Don't answer the door.
Bear, go.
Hey.
Bear, go away.
Good thing you checked the camera first.
Bear, go away.
Bear, go away.
At me. Bear, go away.
Bear, go away. No, he knows you're home now. He just wants a smidgen of some honey. You can't stop. I hear you down there. You can't jump up on there though. Hey, he saw the easy way up, and there he goes. Those dogs are cute. But lazy. Always riding back down? Oh, it's like at an amusement park. Got everybody leaning over. Oh, elefantes! What are we doing? Are they kissing?
Get a room, guys.
No shot. Is that how? Did they? Okay. It's getting a little freaky. Cover your children's eyes. The zoo got a little wild. Hey, buddy, what are you doing? Smart kitty. Look at him go. Oh. Just figured it all out. And he's gone. Just talent. The amount of dogs that people have trained to ride boards, like regular skateboards, electric boards, any of them, is just amazing. What are you doing? You can't take that out. Got some gloomy energy. Yep, there she goes.
Honestly, we could all learn a thing or two about relaxation from pandas.
Just taking this short trip down the hill, rolling it out like a pole. Like a pole. Look at him roll. Panda roll. Oh, little buddy. Hey, you got it. That's actually really smart. Make a little pool. Oh, drinking the pool water.
That grin is illegal. Why does it look like it knows something we don't?
It's being cute because it wants to be adopted. It knows if it makes funny faces, it'll get taken home probably, or fed. Either way. Oh no. Just all the claw marks. Hello. Surprisingly, it's not an orange cat this time. Oh, the little toe beans. Cannot keep them out. Always playing music. That's so sweet. Look at the little
Someone
buddy
get this
go.
pupper a Spotify deal.
Just living his best life. Oh. It was cute, and then it was scary.
One.
Oh, I think I've seen this one before. Then it just feeds. He fed one of them, and then the rest came running. Now you gotta commit. They'll be back every day, and if you don't throw food, they'll eat you. What is that? What is that? Quiet down back there. What is... Excuse me, it's your pet? What kind of squirrel is that? If you know what kind of squirrel, I'm assuming it's some kind of squirrel. If you know what kind of squirrel that is, leave it down in the comments below. I've never seen one with spiky hair like Syndrome.
Thanks for the meal. See you later.
It wasn't your pet. It just came in and jacked some food and took off? Okay. Oh. Hey. What are you doing being mean to the cat? Yeah, you pick him up, and he's gonna go right back in front of your car. Monkeys in
These
pool.
primates are beating the heat wave in style, proving that even wildlife knows how to enjoy summer vibes.
I wonder if this is the same island as the other monkeys in the pool. Look at them go. Monkey. In the pool. Ah, why is your dog barking? Shh. Silence, dog. We're enjoying monkey time. Oh, the dog wants to be vacuumed? Excuse me? That's adorable. That's so adorable. I wish all animals enjoyed vacuums because mine are horrified. Absolutely horrified. It just needs a little cleaning. It's mostly the brush, probably. Oh, look at that. You feed it a string? What? Oh, the string is to pull the bell. Dinner time. Feed me more. There you go. I was gonna say, are you gonna feed them or not? They asked politely.
Homie eating like he pays bills.
He's just chilling. He's probably watching TV. Excuse me, was that a bear? Oh, it's a dog. Why did I think it was a bear? Yes, the bear's.
That looks like a checkpoint. You better pay the street tax.
There's more of them. How many are there? Hello. I need to know where this is so I can have one. That one right there, I'd be grabbing him. Snatch him up. Oh, it's another one of whatever. Excuse
Finally
me?
caught who emptied the bin for weeks.
I knew they were smart, but... Bro, are you just throwing trash out? Okay, yeah, it's not looking for food, it's just throwing shit on the ground. How did you get a tire on your head, buddy? Oh, it was about to fall off too. Oh, look at the babies.
She's making sure her babies are ready for life in the wild. Moms really go all out.
Nice and slow. They're all caught up though. Keep going. Keep going. Oh. They're going. They're going without you. Raccoons are just cats of the fucking nature. Of the fucking nature. Good humans bringing water to the wildlife. I hope there's a lot of people in Colorado doing that right now because we need it.
All eight
Been
of
hot.
my raccoon buddies have been out at the same time. Yeah, they're all getting along so well. There's been no
9. Oh, little babies. My toxic trait is I would just want to cuddle with them. I just want to lay in there and cuddle with a 900-pound cat. If I get eaten, so be it. When cats love water, excuse me? It's doing a dog thing. Oh, I got someone in its ears. Yeah, poor little baby.
Did you
It's
win?
good. Did you win? No, it's going back. Oh no!
Gigi! Stop!
Flooded the whole backyard. No! That's a trouble dog right there.
Who runs the backyard? This cat does.
The dog has no idea what he's in for. Dogs have nothing on cats, man. Nothing. No. Where do all these people live that all these bears just keep coming up on their property? No. Just no.
Broski, I know you see me.
What are you? It's gonna get some of that pie. Get the little guy some pie.
I'm in actual shock right now.
Yeah. You left food on the counter. It's gonna get in there. Oh, he made it.
Bro, get your back up wherever the you came from. You better get your
That's not your pet? It just came in through the walls? Excuse me?
Messy who? This bunny's got footwork, control. All it needs now is a contract.
Look at him go. Push it a ball, push it a ball. Somebody get this guy in the World Cup. Be scoring. It's one of those cat beds that can go inside. It's pure chaos going on in there. Oh. Did it just eat your hat?
Simple economics. No snack, no hat.
You're not getting that back. I don't even know if you want that hat back now. Oh? Oh. I gave the hat back. Is the bird gonna hit snooze? Nope.
Forget coffee. This parrot is the only wake-up call you'll ever need.
I'm gonna get up. That would be cute a couple times, but then there's no snooze. Who's in the closet? Hello. Those are some demon eyes right there. Rumpy. Close the door, woman.
Is that me? Am I famous now? A true influencer in the making.
Little penguins. Their eyes are so freaky. They're cute, but their eyes are freaky. Do they blink? That is a good question. Do penguins blink? Well, hello. Did he teleport? That was. There has to be two of them. There's no way.
Стёпа, лучше не надо цього делать. Я хочу умерти.
All the zombies. Monkeys in a pool!
Who needs a fancy pool party when...
My body.
A bacon strip? Come on.
Okay, come inside.
Bro ran into a glass door once, and now has trust issues.
You're inside. You got it. There you go, buddy.
Good boy, sit. Okay.
Poor thing has trauma. Alright, you guys. If you did enjoy, please like and subscribe and all that good stuff, because it does help me out. And have a good day. Bye.